If your RCD keeps tripping, don't ignore it. This is not just annoying, it could be a warning sign of a serious electrical fault in your home. Many homeowners in the UK and across Europe face this issue, especially during winter or when using high-power appliances. But here's the good news. In most cases, the problem is easier to identify than you think. In this video, I'll explain the 5 real reasons your RCD keeps tripping and how you can safely identify the cause before calling an electrician. Let's get started. An RCD residual current device is a safety switch. It protects you from electric shock. If it detects electricity leaking somewhere it shouldn't, it immediately cuts the power. So when it trips, it's actually protecting you. The question is, what is causing the leak? Let's break it down. Reason 1, faulty appliance. The most common cause is a faulty appliance. Washing machines, dishwashers, tumble dryers, kettles, any appliance that uses heating elements can develop internal faults. Heating elements often break down over time. When insulation inside them fails, electricity leaks to the metal body, and the RCD trips instantly. How to test. Unplug all appliances connected to the circuit. Reset the RCD. Now plug in appliances one by one. If the RCD trips after plugging in a specific appliance, you've found your problem. Simple but effective. Reason 2, water or moisture inside an appliance. Water and electricity do not mix. In Europe especially, high humidity and condensation can cause moisture inside appliances. Common cases: washing machine leak, dishwasher steam damage, outdoor sockets exposed to rain. Moisture creates a path for electricity to escape. Even a small amount is enough to trip the RCD. What you can do: turn off the appliance. Let it dry completely for 24 to 48 hours. Check for visible leaks. If the problem continues, internal insulation may be damaged. Reason 3, damaged extension leads or cables. This is very common. Extension leads get bent, crushed, or overloaded. Small internal damage can cause current leakage. And again, the RCD trips. Especially if the cable feels warm, you see cracks, you smell burning. Fix. Never repair damaged extension leads. Replace them completely. They are cheap. Your safety is not. Reason for neutral to earth's fault. Now we move to a more technical reason. In UK and European electrical systems, neutral and earth must remain separate after the consumer unit. If somewhere they touch even slightly, the RCD will trip. This can happen due to loose wiring, DIY electrical work, damaged sockets. This is not always visible. If your RCD trips instantly, even with nothing plugged in, this could be the reason. At this stage, calling a qualified electrician is recommended. Reason 5, outdoor moisture problems. Garden lights, outdoor sockets, garage wiring. Rainwater can enter poorly sealed fittings. In winter especially, moisture builds up. Once again, leakage current flows. RCD trips. What to check? Turn off outdoor circuits. Reset RCD. If it stops tripping, you've found the affected zone. Seal or replace damaged fittings. Safe troubleshooting methods step by step. Here's a safe method you can follow. 1. Switch off all MCBs. 2. Reset the RCD. 3. Turn MCBs on, one by one. 4. Identify which circuit causes the trip. 5. Unplug everything on that circuit. 6. Plug items back one at a time. This method isolates the fault safely. Important. Never open the consumer unit unless you are trained. When you must call an electrician, call a professional if RCD1T reset at all, burning smell from consumer unit, frequent tripping without load, signs of melted wiring, electrical faults can lead to fire. Do not ignore repeated tripping. Pro tip: if your RCD trips only when using washing machine heating cycle, the heating element is usually the culprit. If it trips randomly at night, suspect moisture or outdoor circuits. Patterns help identify problems faster. So now you know the 5 real reasons your RCD keeps tripping. Remember, the RCD is not the problem. It's doing its job. The real issue is electrical leakage somewhere in your system. If this video helped you, subscribe for more real repair solutions. And if your washing machine is causing the trip, watch the next video on your screen. Stay safe and fix smart.